So guys, it's me JimmyaGeek. Here are the gesture. For example, just go to setting, go to home screen, swipe up. Yeah. So the gestures are on. For example, if I just click like this from the bottom, let me show you again. Can you see from the bottom? It open like this. I mean, I can do it like this. If I do it on the home screen, I can see the notification. I can see the search. Yeah. So these are the gesture. For example, if I open this one, I wanna go back. I do it from left. I can switch the app if I just hold. If I just want to go back, I do a quick. I go back. I go back. Yeah, it was me, JimmyaGeek. Subscribe.